Welcome everyone, Chef Life YouTube channel. Today we are going to make popsicle. This is very easy recipe. Few ingredients. You can do it in your home. This is for your kids and for elders. If you are enjoying with my recipe, my videos, please don't forget to subscribe. You will get new update from Dubai, new great desserts. So enjoy. White sugar 150 gram, water 50 milliliter, whole egg liquid 150 milliliter, whipping cream 450 milliliter, 150 strawberry puree and 150 blueberry puree for the flavors. First I'm going to beat the whipping cream. You beat the whipping cream and keep in the chiller. So this is the first step. Whole egg liquid I keep slow mixing, and during the time I will start sugar and water soft boil. I start sugar soft boiling. So I make ready soft boil. Don't go more than 110 Celsius. So you can see it's bubbles and it's almost ready now for soft boil. Now we are going to add with the whole egg. You can see now I'm going to mix with soft boiled sugar. You can see how is the form, very nice. So I'm going to take out, transfer my form. I'm going to mix with whipping cream and my foam. You need to mix very gently. After that we can divide the mixture and we will add two flavors. Just fold like this. Going to divide now, half mixture with strawberry flavor and half with blueberry flavor. So I'm going to mix my strawberry puree. You can see very light pink color. Now I'm going to mix with blueberry flavor. So first I'm going to make strawberry popsicle. So I will use piping bag. It's very easy for you to put in the mold. This is my blueberry popsicle mixture. Once you finish pipe, you need to give a little touch up with the stick. Now our popsicle is ready, so I'm going to put blast freezer. If you don't have blast freezer, you can put freezer 6 hours. In the blast freezer 3 hours. They finished 3 hours, so we are going to check our popsicle. Oh, looks very delicious. Oh, very nice. This is blueberry popsicle. For the garnish, I'm going to use raspberry powder. It's a nice combination.
Oh my God, chef, what is this, chef? I don't know the name of this, but this look like amazing. Oh my God, yummy, yummy. No word to say. This Hasanka YouTube channel, please like and subscribe. From in the world, I want to see what the top heaven restaurant and Chef Hansika. Thank you so much, guys. I'm enjoying. Thank you.